In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare plans in ClickUp, Billing Overview 2026. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already signed in, great. If not, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or use a connected social login. Just choose the option you prefer and complete the sign-in. If you belong to multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on, since billing is managed at the workspace level. Once you've landed on your ClickUp homepage, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon or your name. That's the gateway to your account controls. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. We're heading into the area where Workspace Details and Billing live. When the Settings view opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Billing. If you don't see billing, you may not have the required permissions in this workspace, so you might need an owner or admin to access it for you. Inside the billing section, you'll see your current plan, and you'll also find a clear way to view and compare available plans. This is where you can review what each plan includes and how they differ. Start by checking the pricing per member and look for the monthly versus annual toggle. Annual billing typically offers a lower per user rate, while monthly billing provides flexibility. Make sure the billing frequency you're viewing matches how you plan to pay. Next, scan the feature comparison. Focus on what matters to your team: task and storage limits, dashboards and reporting capabilities, automations, custom fields, time tracking, and permissions or roles. If you handle clients, pay attention to guest access and sharing controls. If you work in a regulated environment, look for security and compliance features that may be included in higher tiers. Also note the level of support. Some plans include priority support or advanced onboarding. Consider how many people will need paid seats. The total price scales with your seat count, so align your plan choice with your team size and expected growth. If you're evaluating upgrades, look for any notes about proration, trials, or immediate versus next cycle changes. The billing page usually outlines how changes will affect your current subscription. After you've compared everything, choose the plan that best fits your workflow and budget. Double-check the seat count, billing frequency, and total before confirming any changes. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened billing, and reviewed the plan comparison so you can make a confident decision. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you evaluate your options.